Nestled beneath the shade of the sycamores on the banks of beautiful Oak Creek in Sedona, Tlaquepaque is the most distinctive Sedona shopping experience to be found in the Southwest. Authentically fashioned after a traditional Mexican village, Tlaquepaque, meaning the best of everything, has been a Sedona landmark since the 1970s. Its vine-covered stucco walls, cobble-stoned walkways, and magnificent arched entryways give you the feeling that Tlaquepaque has been here for centuries. Tasteful galleries and unique shops live in harmony with its lush natural environment, where giant sycamore trees stand in testimony to the care taken in preserving the timeless beauty of the Tlaquepaque grounds. It would be hard to find more beautiful surroundings anywhere to create a shopping experience like no other. Originally conceived as an artist community, Tlaquepaque is the perfect setting to witness gifted Sedona artisans absorbed in their work. It's not uncommon to venture upon a well-known sculptor working on his or her latest piece right in the Tlaquepaque galleries. With over 50 specialty shops and exclusive art galleries, shopping becomes a joyful revelation of fabulous art treasures and distinctive gifts around every corner. Tlaquepaque is filled with spectacular one-of-a-kind art expressions in every medium, from Western and eclectic bronze sculpture, functional and traditional ceramics, contemporary and Southwestern fine art paintings, weavings, decorative arts, as well as unusual gift items await the Tlaquepaque visitor. Completed the Chapel of the Holy Cross, which is absolutely incredible. It is a beautiful church on the top of red rocks on a mountaintop. And now we're gonna continue our drive through Sedona and make some other scenic stops here. We're just kind of winging it today. We're not really planning too much because of the rain. So whatever we see, we'll stop and film and document our travels. So I'm not sure if I'm gonna combine this video with the little horse trail that we did previously. I probably will. So that way it'll be a nice little double feature. So stay tuned for our next stop, guys, in Sedona. All right, guys, our next stop is Tlaquepaque, Arts and Crafts Village. It's a very scenic spot here in Sedona. You guys can see there's a bunch of shopping centers and stuff around here, psychic readings, crystals and stuff. So join us on an all-new adventure. It'll probably be a continuation of the chapel video. Really nice, isn't it? Beautiful. Oh, wow. Oh my God, it looks like Mexico. Oh, this is what we saw. That is so cool. We could probably get some good tacos here.
Yes, let's do that.
Yeah, let's do that.
These trees are amazing, man.
Oh, I know. Really beautiful. Beautiful.
It's all tile.
This is another famous place too, guys, the chai spot. Beautiful. Here's that one place, Dad. I love the vines on the wall.
So do I. It's like a variegated ivy, it looks like.
Yeah. Oh my God, look at this stuff.
Look at this stuff here. Oh.
Seashells and
These.
stuff.
Oh, are these beautiful?
Oh my God, look at those.
Oh my gosh. I think I like these two.
Yeah, those are beautiful. They got all kind of stuff too.
Or you like this one better? I've got a chip on the top there though.
Yeah, that's nice.
Which one do you like? You think these two are cool?
Yeah, they are. That's beautiful. They got some nice stuff in there.
Jesus, where do you see this place?
Oh my God. Look at this. Look at this. Tyrannosaurus Rex. That is so cool.
Upstairs.
Huh?
It's upstairs.
Oh man, we gotta go there later.
Yeah, we gotta go there.
This place is just beautiful. I feel like I'm in Mexico.
Isn't it true?
Oh, it's made out of barbed wire. That's pretty cool. Everything has character here. I love it. The guy's face.
There it is, look.
Oh, cool. All right, guys, we're gonna go get some food
Right there.
at El Rincon Patio Cantina. All right, guys, we just had the absolutely best Mexican meal of our lives, I think. It was called, I think it was called Rincon.
El Rincon.
Yeah, El Rincon. This is what it looks like right over here. So it was an amazing restaurant here in Tlaquepaque. That photo, guys, that's beautiful. Sedona. This is an art gallery over here.
There's a picture right here.
I saw it, yeah. This is so beautiful. Should we go in? Are we allowed to film now?
I don't know.
Probably not.
No photos, please.
Oh yeah. That's okay. So you guys could get a feel of what this place looks like. All the little different areas and stuff. That's where we were earlier, by that T-Rex skull.
You wanna go up there?
Yeah, you want to?
Yeah, let's go.
And it really emptied out here. This store's called Natural Wonders we're going to. Look it up here too. That malachite is beautiful too. You see that?
Which one?
The malachite, Mom's loves that.
Oh, that is gorgeous.
They're all beautiful.
Wow.
This reminds me of that Breckenridge one.
Yeah, I know. There's red jasper.
This place is so nice, guys. Definitely perfect to go here on a rainy day. They have some love locks here. I won't be needing any of those though. Everything's just so well done out west. They take pride in their communities. That's cool.
Thank you. Yep. Exactly.
Beautiful stuff. Amethyst crystals. You got a lot of Route 66 stuff too.
I know what you mean. Thanks for stopping in.
Don't they?
Yeah.
I love the glasses and stuff too.
I mean, this is big for $75. This is not bad. Look at these guys here. They have a lot.
Yeah, they do.
It's kind of like a raw look, but it's polished.
Look at these petrified wood pieces too. 65 bucks only. That's a nice one, actually. I like that one.
That's nice.
Way cheaper though than Utah.
Oh my god, yeah. Well, these are heavy. Wow. I didn't expect that. For Valentine's Day coming up.
Alright guys, thank you for watching our shopping adventure here at Tlaquepaque. It was a beautiful place in Sedona here. There was a lot of little shops, art galleries, as well as one of the best Mexican restaurants we ever ate at. So our next stop is going to be the Element in Sedona. We're going to be checking in. It's by Weston. And after that, we're probably going to, I don't know, probably just chill for the day. So thank you for watching. See you all next time.